This is Etihad Airbus 380 landing at the Abu Dhabi International Airport. On our final approach. This is beautiful night view of city of Abu Dhabi. Probably coming into land. Weather is fine. Temperature is around 50 degrees Celsius. That's what we've been told. Apart from that, it's clear skies. We got a stay of about 1 hour in Abu Dhabi for our onward journey to Moscow on the same airline Etihad. So enjoy the view as we come into land into Abu Dhabi International Airport. Thank you. Do like and subscribe and enjoy the view. Touchdown at Abu Dhabi International Airport. Spoilers, the air brake